Wala, hindi pa ako marunong. Just wanna ride,
You know,
learn how to
when
ride.
the kids sitting on the skateboard, like, whee!
Yeah, that's me.
That's him.
Yeah.
You put the tally on the bottom.
Do you have other friends sa group nyo na nag-skate?
Josh.
Just Josh. The car guy.
He's good.
He's good?
He's good.
Like,
Or
better
is
than
that
you?
skates?
Huh?
Or he's getting back. Or I think he got back into it.
Kaya mo ba mag-rails?
Yeah.
Or
Shoot
you
kita.
push Joe.
No, not anymore.
now? Okay.
Like maybe
Just
like
sit on
10
the
years ago,
skateboard.
yeah.
Oh, 10 years ago.
Glenn will be like pushing you.
Oh no.
Yeah,
Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I have like old photos.
Bye.
Bubble wrap, styrofoam.
Naman naman akong. Bye.
Or you want me to bring mine so we can ride together? Right back.
Okay, so dito na kami ni Glenn. Ito yung ano niya, real skateboard brands. Tapos ito yung nare-recommend. Yeah, Orbit. Tagal na. Dito rin pala nakuha ni Glenn yung una niyang ano, first ever skateboard. So matagal na tong shop na to. First time ko makapasok sa ano, sa skateboard shop.
Are you buying wheels?
Yep. Kasi isi-save ko muna yun para pag marunong na ako tsaka ako nagagamitin. Or, yeah. Yeah.
Maybe. So for wheels, I would say if you want to cruise but still like maybe do tricks,
Mm-hmm.
at least learn how to ollie. 54.
54?
Yeah.
Okay.
And the real skateboard, I got the Mason Club.
Collaboration.
They're scared. Mason, I don't know who it is, but 125 is going to be his size for cruising and eventually doing tricks. Because I was going to say 8.38, just so he has a little more room on the board, but 2.5 is not bad. That's what I read.
And then I got the slappy bolts, which are all black, but they're textured on the top of the bolt. So it gives you like a little bit more of that grip tape feel.
Oh shit.
Then I got a whole bunch of independent bolts. Boom, boom, and boom. No matter, you can pick
Just a
any
color?
Yeah, yeah.
Mmm.
There you go.
Let's do the blue one.
The blue?
Yep.
Okay, got you. It's all blue and then 2 black.
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
And then do you want a rocker riser pad? Helps
that?
a lot with so it goes in between the board and the truck, right? And it prevents pressure cracks. And it helps with like
Do I need that?
beginning skaters.
Cracks is like, you see this?
Uh-huh.
Like when I'm
Oh.
turning, like you won't fall. But like if you're like
Ganun.
if you're like riding loose, yeah, you're gonna
Fall.
have that a lot.
Okay, let's get it.
Yeah, we got right here.
Okay, I got you.
Yun.
My highest recommendation is only $3.
Yeah.
And it's soft too, so it'll bring a lot of comfort to the ride too.
Oh, diamond.
Cool. And then take the deck too. I got you.
I will pay. Sir.
Pero may upuan doon.
Meron.
Oo, ay
Restaurant.
doon na tayo mag-anusan.
So, naglalakad na kami dito sa streets ng San Francisco para nasa Port Street kami ngayon and lalakad kami dun sa pilahan ng Supreme dahil drop nila ngayon. So, let's go. Ito yung sa mga movie eh, oh. Ito yung sa mga movie, di ba? Yung mga, pag ano, yung, kunyari New Year's, hindi umuusok yung ano. Movie. May trivia ako, lab. Kita mo yung sa taas, yung brand na yan? Levi's. Yung may-ari ng Levi's, yan yung mayor ngayon ng San Francisco. Yeah. Galing, no? Kasi ang Levi's ay from San Francisco. Nasikat na sikat sa Pilipinas. Ayun, no? Oakley. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita niya ang Oakley, Doc Martens, ayun, mga sarado. Ito, puro sarado. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Applebee's. Dito sa Fisherman's Wharf. So, ito ta. Ayan yung iconic na Fisherman's Wharf na poste na may logo. Naging sa Japan di ba? Sa Universal Studio. Kinopia nila. Yung iconic na Fisherman's Wharf na poste by the Jefferson Street. So ngayon, tapos kami sa Supreme. Order namin ng pagkain namin. So, guess what? Na-experience namin yung unang-unang pagpila. Kasi syempre kumukuha tayo online sa mga reseller, di ba? Supplier. Pero ngayon kasi na-experience natin talaga first hand yung drop day. Hindi ko to first time. Ewan ko na. Sasama ko to sa vlog na to pero hindi to first time ko na makapasok sa Supreme Store. Hindi ko alam kung nakita nyo na kung naisama ko Pero anyway, first time namin pumunta sa drop day. Yep. And guess what? Okay, yung pila natin, nakuha natin yung mga gusto natin. Dahil sobrang crazy sobrang crazy talaga. Nakita nyo naman na kanina, di ba? Dun sa video, mga pinakita ko na yung pila, sobrang haba talaga niya. So, really crazy, man. Ako nga pala, dito, nakuha ko yung gusto ko kasi ako yung hindi masyado nagtatry-try palagi. Siya yung gusto niya mag-try kung saan-saan. Ako kasi yung binabayaran ko yung pag na-enjoy namin tong andili. Pag na-enjoy namin yung food, for example, na-enjoy ko dito yung food, parang ko compromise, mag-ano kami na, pwede ba dito tayo ulit? Kasi una, masarap naman siya. Pangalawa, nare-relieve mo yung moment na 2 years ago, tas same na lugar, same yung view, same yung kasama mo. It's just a different year. Ibang panahon lang siya. Naiba lang siya ng panahon ng onting-onti lang. Pero dito ulit. So, mag-tour kami, pupunta kami Fisherman's Wharf mamaya. Check kami ng mga, ewan ko ano mga pwede na yung magawa doon. Although nakapunta na kami doon, pero nung magkasama kasi kami, gabi kami pumunta. Naalala mo, umupo pa tayo dyan, ha?
Yeah.
Diba? Tapos nilakad natin papunta doon. Umupo kami dyan sa bench. Yung bench na yun. Uy, kita niyo yung mga ano. Pilipinas, ulam na yan. Anyway, kami ko nakuha dito. As in, hindi ko napapakita pero hindi daw papakita Hindi. Pakita natin. Ito niya yan. Hindi ko nga lang alam kung makikita nyo pa talaga to. Baka by the time sold na to. Nakakuha tayo ng bagong Forces. Collaboration Supreme. Nakakuha tayo ng Forces. Nakakuha tayo ng pants. Men, sa mga totoong nakakaalam ng Supreme na brand, alam nyo magkano presyo ng pants. Kung hindi, go check it out, man. Nakikita nyo sa Pilipinas, sobrang daming resellers na humahawak ng Supreme. Pero meron sila mga hat, mga tawag dito, mga t-shirts talaga, doon naman talaga kaya nga nakakaabot sa atin yan diba? Pero hoodies, pants, wala masyado. Bakit? Ang retail ng Supreme, sa mga gusto mag-check, check nyo. Sabihin nyo na parang, oh shit, ganyan pala presyo. Ang hirap dilin. Kaya yung mga resellers talaga, minsan di sila nag-i-imbak ng madami. Maliban na lang kung siguro, parang pang personal use na lang nila. Ganun. Pero, sobrang dami natin nakuha. Nakuha pa natin yung I think it's here. Ito yung nakuha namin. Hindi pa namin alam kung ibibenta namin, nag-keep namin. Nakakuha tayo ng 5 na ito. Secret na lang kung paano. Basta, meron na kaming 5 ganito. So, FW 2025, Fall-Winter Collection, mini digital camera. So, hindi pa namin alam gagawin namin dito, pero meron siyang 5. Waiting namin ng pagkain. And, eto si Bontes. Kamusta yung Supreme experience mo?
Maganda siya. Kasi, syempre parang
Nakita mo ng harapan yung pila.
Nakita, syempre before kami pumunta, tinignan na namin yung sa YouTube, paano yung sistema nila doon. And to experience it
first hand na gaano ka-hype talaga yung Supreme,
Yeah.
especially pag may bagong drop sila. Grabe yung, alam mo yung mga tao, alam nila yung value ng Supreme itself, na worth it ng time pinipilahan. Tsaka, yun yung binabayaran mo eh. At the end of the day, parang yung effort na...
yung limited.
Yung effort, yung limited stocks.
Yeah.
Additional na lang din na Supreme yun, na legit. So, marami pa tayong pagdadaanan with Supreme.
Yeah, more drops na aabangan dito sa Bay Area. And hopefully, let's see, kung makababa kami ng LA ulit, hindi ko pa alam, pero sobrang tama yung sinabi ni Julia, man. Ibang klase ng experience. Parang, hindi ko alam, hindi ako nainip eh. Aga namin doon, anong oras kami nandun? Sobrang aga namin. Pero pagdating namin, meron pang mga nandun na nauna. May mga nakakamp pa nga eh. May nag-camp. So, sa mga di nakakalam, yung itsura niya ganito. Yan, ganyan yung itsura. So, yan yung parang, kaya siya may ganyan kasi pag malamig talaga dito sa Amerika, di ba? I mean, uy, ayun na yung beer ko. Thank you so much. Beer. Yeah.
Thank you.
Order ako ng Modelo Espesyal. Meron siyang lime. Halo ako siya ng lime. Okay.
Lagay mo dito.
Yeah.
Pang sticker pa.
Kasi maganda yung nakuha namin. Yeah.
Maganda din ako.
Maganda rin si Julia.
Hindi si Julia. Napilitan.
Yeah. T-shirt.
Nandito eh.
Okay.
Paano siya pulo ko?
So, ayun, going back sa sinasabi ko ulit, hindi ako nainip eh. Parang ina-enjoy ko yung bawat moment. Kasi, ang sarap niya sa feeling eh, na parang yung kultura na-experience mo first hand. Dahil again, ulitin ko, yung mga gumagawa ng mga ganung bagay, men, lumilipad pa ng Japan para magawa to. Lumilipad pa ng ibang bansa. I mean, lumilipad ng Japan, lumilipad ng Korea. And kami, lumipad kami ng Amerika para gawin to. Isa sa mga pinlano na talaga hindi pa nakakaalis. Ito na talaga yung plano. Hindi siya biro dahil hindi siya week, hindi siya Friday, hindi siya Sabado. Thursday yung drop. So, kumbaga, yung mga hustler talaga na gagawa nito, swerte ka na lang kung hilig mo yung Supreme tapos ang pasok mo 12 noon. Parang yung kasabay namin kanina. Grew up siya ng Boston and then sumubok siya ng buhay dito. Wala siyang kamag-anak, wala lahat. Nakaland lang siya ng job tapos let's go. Trabaho ako dyan. Ganun ginawa niya. Traveler, risk taker. Tapos, yeah, nagkaroon tayo ng mga tropa doon. Nagkaroon tayo ng mga connection din. And baka may maaya tayo next drop na, uy, tara, sabay tayo. Gusto mo pumunta, uy, maganda to. Contrip nila. So, yeah. Hintayin muna kami ng pagkain and yun lang, at least na-update ko kayo sa mga nangyari. Yeah. Bye. Food trip muna. Let's go. Wow! Ang sarap. Cilantro rice. Salad for the Bontes. And syempre hati kami dito. Ang laki nito eh.
Bontes.
Yeah. The Bontes.
Where's your ranch sauce?
Mesa, once ranch.
One ranch please and one
Extra plate.
one of these is there. It's there. Thank you.
Kain po.
Kain tayo. Ito kami sa Fisherman's Wharf. Saan to? Siguro tong aso. Ayun sila. Tropa-tropa sila.
Kasama sila.
Ayun na, medyo maganda rin lamig. Yeah. Fisherman's Wharf. Tapos, ayun yung Golden Gate Bridge. Oh. Kita dito.
Kita ka, oo. Kita.
Diba? Wow! Good to see you again. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo, pero ayan o. Yan ko nasa yung daliri ko. Golden Gate Bridge. Tapos, I think, hindi ko lang kabisado kung doon ba ako nag-propose sa kabila. Or sa kabila. Hindi ko alam. Ang ipapakita ko naman sa inyo, ito yung Alcatraz. Ito, alam ko dito kinuha yung sa Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. Doon kinuha yung inspiration ng pangalan nung presuhan, jail. And yung Cortez na streetwear logo, dyan din ginawa yan. So yan, nakikita nyo ngayon, yan yung Alcatraz. Ha?
Yan.
Yung
Sa Little Mermaid, yung mahaba.
yan, yan. Di ba pelican yan? Golden Gate Bridge. Ito yung Alcatraz.
Hi, kiddo.
Hi, Giro.
Gotta bring you here soon.
Makikita mo yan baby Makikita mo yan soon. Yung view na yan. Yeah.
Wala ka pa sa mundo.
Nandito ka na. Yeah.
Alright, here we go. Alright, acrobatic shoot. Number 1, get ready. Number 2. Stop it. This is my favourite warm-up trick when it's cold outside. If you have a weak stomach, turn your head. I'm very flexible. Just getting warmed up. Yeah. You think this is weird? Look at this. I don't care who you are. That was funny. Okay. Right. Look, I'm gonna do. I need like one other big, tall. Hello. High five. Get your own shot. Okay. Okay, I need like a big, tall, muscly person. Oh, right there. Perfect. Hello, sir. How you doing? Good. Could you help me find somebody muscly? Dude, I'm joking. It's you. You're perfect. All you gotta do is throw it. I'll tell you when. Alright, so we're gonna get on with it. I'm gonna do the handstand on one hand. You guys will go mental. Here we go. Get ready. So I'm actually going to do it, but I want to hear some noise when I do it. This trick's actually really hard. Okay, one hand, get ready. One leg. It stopped. It's too late, the moment's gone. Alright, one leg. Here goes 5 years of my life. Thank you. I know it's not much, but you can't do it. So, I mean, let's be honest. Alright, look, I promise you danger. I'm going to give you some real danger. Okay. Oh, sir. You're like furthest. You're behind that. Could you go? Yeah. You're going to throw me those cups. Yes, you, sir. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa, together. Whoa, come closer. Dude, those are metal. Okay. All right. Just give me a good throw, underhand. Yeah, right here, all together, follow through, okay? On the count of 3. 1, 2, it's not your fault, that was a good throw. Could you grab me a board? Yeah, there's 3 boards. Grab me number 1, please, whilst I do this. No, that's number 3, I need number 1, sir. Place. That one's number 2, sir. Dude, I'm joking. Just get me a bloody board. It doesn't matter. Okay, you're going to throw it. Okay? I'm going to stand up so I can catch you. Could you go directly in front of me? It will be easier. Yeah, lovely. Okay, hold one hand on the back, one in the middle. Yeah, lovely. Are you ready? I'm going to count you in. Okay, 1. Why are you looking at me like that, man? Dude, take the evil out of your eyes. When he throws it, make some noise. 1, 2, 3, hit me.